Hi YouTubers, continuing on with this desoldering gun. The the last video, as you guys saw, the main trip went off, and then I went on and turned the trip off, and I put the thermostat back to 300. I thought maybe it was too high, having it at 400, 450 degrees centigrade. Just checking whether if it's recording here. And then I put it to 300 and I plugged in. Next thing I heard a massive bang inside the gun. So just about to once again take these parts off and let's have a look what went wrong. I'm just wondering whether they have converted a 110 volt gun into a 240 volt. Anyway, I spoke to the seller on eBay and I said it just exploded. I mean, I haven't done anything wrong dismantling this part. It's only 100 watts. 200, no, it's actually 240, 220 volts. It says here. So what caused it to explode? Let's have a look. I wonder if the filament is busted. I mean, I've unboxed and done similar things like this in the past. Never exploded anything. I'm quite good with my electronics. So they explode. Oh, look at that. Fuck. Something just blown all the copper. It's gone. Wonder if something's happened inside there. It's definitely something unsafe to even use. Lucky it happened here. Imagine if you're trying to take a part of a good product and this happened. Would have been the 240 volt would have gone into the circuit board. This is what I don't like about it. As I said, this is one reason I don't like having 240 volt products, because it's quite dangerous here. Let's put this back here. Where is that? Anyway, so it's completely gone. And I need to return this thing to the manufacturer, number one, to the seller. So I don't want to do too many things to it. But I wish I could take these pins off So there's literally how many wires going into the element? We got 1, 2 white, green, and earth. Yeah, so 2 white, green, red, and earth. That's how much. So many things are going towards the element. So let's have a look. See the resistance on this. Whether it's shorting inside. No. So you got 520 ohms on the 2 white lines. And these 2 lines, the green and the red, got 0. There you go. Green and the other one. No. That's probably what it happened. So there's a short inside there. I wonder if it's a 240 volt going into these. It's blown all the... First time I've seen something like this. It's blown everything. All the coppers come out. Anyway guys, I'm going to return this. I don't think I'll get a desoldering on like this. Only thing I was thinking of doing after this happened, I was thinking maybe what I could do is check the voltage on this motor, what drives it. It's a 12 volt. If it's a 12 volt, I might have a 12 volt adapter running to that, and if that's 24 volts or 240 volts, that could replace that element. But then, I mean, this is like $180, so a fair bit of money just to do experiments with for something which happened out of my control. Shouldn't have taken it apart, but I just love doing stuff like this anyway. I mean, the thing is, that's the only screw I took off. And the thermostat controller is wired to somewhere here, so nothing to do with the thermostat. Nothing to do with anything on here. It's just because straight away it went, so nothing to do with this circuit for the motor, yeah? Something to do with the circuit which goes into the filament. What I'll do is I might map this circuit diagram. I might map it with the thing and see where these lines are going. Is it worth it? 240. Wish I could have a look inside this bloody thing if this thing came off. Anyway, I'll put it back together. I will not get my money back if I keep mucking around it. Look at that. It's literally... That is just dangerous, isn't it? Oh, it has been used before. Have a look at that. Someone has actually used it. That's probably what happened. There's probably a bit of lead stuck inside. So something to remember, guys, the lead, when it sucks in, if that's not sealed properly, looks like the lead could actually go in here. And maybe it has a little connector made inside somewhere. I wonder if there's something here which caused it to blow off, like a short circuit somewhere. Could be a reason. Anyway, I'm going to put it together, return it. I already set to the seller that I need a refund. Please investigate. And I said you guys need to test these ones before you sell it to the market, because it's very unsafe. Yeah. What do you guys reckon? Safe, unsafe? I think it's unsafe. Alright, I might stop this video. I'll put two parts. And yeah, give you an update later on. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.